Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to tell you about this automated algorithm trading platform where you can actually customize your own bot to make profit for you, and you can make up to 3% every day with your own custom bot. And this platform is known as Qubitscube, or QUB for short. And when you come to their official website, you'll be able to see everything they offer and their statistics. You can see that they claim that they have traded over $26 million in the past 24 hours with over 100,000 registered members. And when you scroll down again, you'll be able to see all their winning strategies, so you can join anyone, you understand. In summary, how this platform works is basically simple. All you just need to do is to deposit, pick a strategy, then activate a training bot either for 4 hours, 6 hours or 24 hours, which I'm also going to show you in this video. So when I click on this top left, then click on strategy, you'll be able to see all the strategies that is involved in this Qubitscube trading platform. Like this first strategy, which is a quantitative for cube pots. This is like the 4 hours trading. Then this dynamo cube is 6 hours, and this time warp cube is the 24 hours, and their earning rates are different. So basically all you just need to do is to deposit, then pick a strategy and activate it, just like what I said. And I'm also going to show you live in this video. And also when I click on this feature, you can see that this feature review cube is like trading on Binance or OKS using your Binance or OKS API on this platform. So all you just need to do is to connect to your Binance API, then just like that, you understand. Then everything you'll be doing is on Binance or OKS. But for security reasons, I will not suggest you go for these features. I will just stick with this strategy, you understand. I don't want to connect my Binance or OKS to any platform, so make sure you don't go for that one. So with that being said, just like as I said before, all you just need to do on this platform is to create an account. You can also use my link below and get some bonuses, which I'm also going to show you how to claim those bonuses. Then you deposit and buy a strategy, then select a server and you are good to go. You can also follow them on Twitter, which I will also link down below this video, and also join their Telegram community and my Telegram community so that you always get the latest updates from this platform. So for you to get started on this Qubitscube platform, you just have to click the link below this video. Then to take you to this section, all you just need to do is to enter your email address, then click on create account. Then after you click on create account, it will take you to this section where you just have to enter your username. You can say I've already entered my username. Then enter your password and you enter everything. Then you click on this send verification code. Then you go to your email address that you entered and paste in this verification code, and with that you are done. Within 2 minutes you are done with the account creation. Then all you just need to do is to log in back to that same account you created. So with that being said, you just have to log into your account, and after you successfully log in, it will take you to your own dashboard. And just as you can see, this is how the dashboard look like, and from here you'll be interacting with this platform in terms of deposits, taking action and trading and everything. And on the bottom part of the screen, you'll be able to see your own page, the cube, the features and the live. Now the cube is actually where you'll be taking action in terms of trading after you deposited, and you'll be able to see your live trade, while the features is after you connect your Binance or OKX API, then that is where you'll be taking action in that regard. But as I said before, I will not really recommend this features part for anyone because of security reasons, you understand. And please note that this video is for educational purpose only. Before you invest, please consult your financial advisor, because I'm not your financial advisor, you understand. Now as a new user, after you create your own account, you just have to click on this top right, which is the end section. Then it will take you to this end section, whereby all you just need to do is to claim your reward, you understand. You can see that in progress. If you trade for 5 days, you will get 7 cubes. And remember, those cubes can be swapped to USDT, which I'm also going to show you. So all you just need to do is to click on start, you understand, and you can actually swap those cubes to USDT. But the minimum cube you need is 300, and Those 300 cube will worth around $10 to $25, so it depends, you understand. So make sure that you just come to this in progress section, then you click on start on each of all the rewards, you understand. Now on this live section, which is a live tab, you'll be able to see their live stream of all the trades, which is the first video, but this second one is their CMO that is talking about Qubit, so you can watch it to try to understand the authenticity of this platform. But remember that this video is for educational purpose only. Make sure that you do consult your financial advisor before you invest anything. So now, before I proceed on trading, one way for you to earn on this platform is through referral, you understand. So in the referral section, you can actually build your own team. Then when you trade, you earn up to 25% or 30% commission, you understand. And also on your third level, you can also earn up to 10 to 12% commission. You can also get an award from them if you participate more on this platform. Then in that regard, you will also get more commissions from the team, you understand. So another basic way to earn without even investing on this platform is taking advantage of their referral program. Now from your user profile, you can actually click on this mining, then you'll be able to mine this coin, which you can actually swap for USDT, you understand. Although the mining rate is actually slow, but you can just play around it, just like an additional features, you understand, to what you're already benefiting from. And that's basically how this mining section works. So back on this reward section, when you click on this USDT reward first time registration, you'll be able to get $0.5 from this platform for just being referred to this platform, you understand. So when I go back to my home page, you'll be able to see my 0.5 USDT and my 0.01 Qubit coin, which I mined earlier. And that's basically everything about this platform for now. And when you click on recharge, it will take you to this deposit section where you can deposit in USDT, which I would recommend. Then your address will show up. You just have to copy it, then send USDT, any amount but minimum of $10 to this platform, which you will use to start trading. And also if you want to withdraw, you can see the withdrawal section. You just have to enter an amount, but I think the minimum amount is around $10 also you get to make withdrawal. But remember that before you make any withdrawal, you need to bind your wallet address to this platform. So you just have to click on this wallet from this your user profile, then you click on this plus, which is showing on your screen, then click on USDT, which I will recommend. Then after that, you just have to enter your wallet address, then choose your wallet type, which is TRC20, then click on verification and submit. And that is basically how to bind your wallet address to this platform. And when you bind it, it will show up on this wallet section, which I'm also going to show you a live withdrawal. And from what you can see, I just deposited 250 USDT into this my Qubitscube platform. And from this $250, I'm going to make a trade of $100, then show you withdrawal of $150 to show you how the withdrawals work and how everything works on this platform. So all you just need to do is to deposit like that and it will show up, you understand. So after that, back to your home page, you will see two options, which is the feature part. Then when you click on feature part, you have to select crypto, you understand. But we are not focusing on technical part. We are focusing on this custom trading strategy where you can earn up to 3.1%. So when you click it, it will open your custom cube section for you, you understand. You can see that I currently have a 24-hour time warp and the limit is 0. So all you just need to do is to join my Telegram community and I'm going to send you more cube for you to trade on this platform, you understand. So for you to customize your own bots, you just have to enter an amount, then select group strategy, you understand. I'm just going to select group strategy, then you just have to fill up and click on create. Now the best option is to use the smart section, which I'm actually going to use in this video. So on the smart tab, the system will just do everything for you. So all you just need to do is to select strategy. You can see 4 hours, 6 hours and 24 hours, but I'll select 24 hours. Now remember that I currently don't have any available cube, which is also going to show on your own dashboard, but you don't need to panic. You just have to join my Telegram community and I'm going to send you more cubes, you know, so I'm going to gift you. Although you can actually buy from the platform directly, you understand, but the point is you just have to join my Telegram community. Then maybe I'll request for your user ID, or maybe before you even sign up with my link below, your details will just show up as my referral, then I will gift you. Now you need this cube to open any trade. This is to ensure that bot does not take over the platform, you understand, because some people normally create multiple accounts and try to spam the platform. So this cube is like key to you to use this platform. So make sure you use my link below this video so that I can gift you, or if you want to use your own money to buy it from the platform, then you can buy. So after you get the cube, you just have to come to this cube section, then you click on this plus, and when you click on it, it will just take you directly to the smart section. Then you just need to select strategy. You can see that I already have 100 now in the 3 of them. So I will go for these 24 hours, you understand, which is actually where there's more money, but the 24 hour is like 3.1% daily. But you can go for either the 4 hours or the 12 hours, you understand. That is a trading strategy. Now after you selected your trading strategy, you just have to enter an amount. I'll go with $100, but you can go with any amount you want to use. Now remember that I'm still trying out this platform, but I'm also going to make a follow-up video. So after you enter an amount, you can see the cube code. So all you just need to do is to click on select server, then select any server. Remember that we are currently on level 0, so we'll be using this server. But if you upgrade, you'll be able to get more levels, you understand. Then after that, you click on create, then just wait for it to load up. You can see that it's showing successful. Now it's just showing you the instruction process, you understand. So all you just need to do is to wait for it. Then after it's done, you'll be able to see that your bot is already live. I mean, your strategy is already live. So all you just need to do is to wait for 24 hours, then come and check the status, and you'll be able to see that you have actually gotten a reward. Now remember that they normally charge $0.4 for service fee, you understand, to actually activate bot. This is to ensure that the platform runs smoothly, you understand. And you can see that my balance has reduced to 150, and you can actually view the cube details. You can actually understand what's really going on, and also you can view the live transaction or the live trade on what is actually happening on the cube. But personally, I have no idea, so all I'm concerned about is just to make the profit. So I'm just going to wait for 24 hours, then come back and check the status. Now after you have made profit and you want to make withdrawal, you just have to come to the withdrawal section, then enter an amount. I'll just enter 150 or withdraw everything. Then you enter your wallet address, which is the wallet address you bind before now. Then you enter your payment password, which is actually your password, you understand. Then I want you to pay attention to this 5% fee they are collecting. So it's very important to consider it, you understand. This is to make sure that the platform runs smoothly. Then after that, you click on verification as usual, and after you copy the code, you just have to paste it, then click on submit, and with that, your withdrawal have been made. Then you just have to wait for it to reflect on your wallet, you understand. Although in my own experience, it took up to 10 minutes, so you just have to give it that amount of time. Now when I go to the transaction history or the record, you'll be able to see that my withdrawal record is showing pending review. So I just have to wait, you understand. Then probably give it between 10 to 15 minutes, just like as I said. And after that, I come back again to this withdrawal section. You'll be able to see that the withdrawal is now successful. So I just have to make sure that it is successful on my crypto wallet account. So after waiting for another 10 minutes, just as you can see, the withdrawal came in, but they removed their 5%, which is actually much, you understand. So that's basically how this Qubitscube platform works. If you have any question, you can ask below this video or join my Telegram community, then I will try my best to answer. Or you can just join their group directly, you understand, so you can just talk to the team behind it directly, which I'll also link down below. And if you know this video was helpful to you, please make sure you show it by liking this video and drop a sub to the channel, and make sure you join my Telegram community so that you'll be the first to get any updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.